Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's continue with our questions. We're doing the first part of question 2, which is 2.1. A farm sells milk in 5-liter containers to the local community. The price varies according to the availability of milk at the farm stall. The price of milk in rands per 5-liter container. The price of milk in rands per 5-liter container, and the number of 5-liter containers, the number of 5-liter containers of milk sold are recorded in the table below. On the grid provided, draw the scatter plot to represent the data. Right, so we have two variables here. We have the price of milk in rands per 5-liter container and the number of 5-liter containers. Right, so we want to see the correlation of these two, and then we're going to use the scatter plot to represent that. So now we need to understand the scaling of our grid here. So on the horizontal axis, we have the price of milk, and then on the vertical axis, we have the number of 5-liter containers. So let's check here. So we have 20 to 25, and then it's divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means each part represents 1 rand, isn't it? These are rands. Each part represents 1 rand here. So we're counting 21 from 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, we're counting ones. Let's check the number of 5-liter containers from 20 to 25. And again, it's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, we're counting ones. Okay, right. Let's start with our first point. So the price is 26. The number of containers 48. So we come to the price here, which is 26. And then, okay, there's no need to do this. I'll just do this for this one point, and then the rest we just plot them. Right, this is 26 going up. And then the number of containers 48. So this is 45. We're counting ones, 46, 47, 48. See that? So we have this point here from these two. So that is the point there, which is the first point. And then we go to 32 and 30. So 32 is where? Here. Then 30 is here. Okay. So you can draw your line, and then the point is there. Okay. And then 36, 20, 36, 26, 36, 26. So it's 36, 36 should be here. 26 should be there, is there. Okay. And then where is the point? It should be here. This is the point. Okay. And then we have 28, 44. Let me just plot the points now. 28, 44. 28, 44. It's here. That is 28, 44. And then 40, 23. 40, 23. There is 40, 23. And then 33, 32. There is 33, 32. Then 29, 39. 29, 39. 29, 39 there. Then 34, 34, 29. You see that? And then 27, 42. 27, 42. And then 30, 33. Right, that is our scatter plot. Done. Can you describe the correlation here? This is a negative correlation. A negative correlation. As the number or as the price increases, the number of 5-liter containers what? Decreases. That's a negative correlation. It's a strong negative correlation because you can see that the points that we plotted are sort of clustered around what? A straight line like that, okay? Right, but we are going to talk about that when we do the correlation coefficient, okay? Right, that's what we're supposed to do here for this question, just to have this. It was enough for this question, okay? So we're going to meet when we do question 2.2.